Okay, hello, this is Melinda. I'm taking a video of the train because I've looked on YouTube and haven't really found anything of an Amtrak train. And I thought that was, kind of... I'm just taking video. I didn't...
Do you have a sleeper?
Yes.
Yep. Oh, you do?
I have a roomette
Oh,
thing.
okay. Very good.
So, I was just... I haven't seen very many, But, basically I didn't think it was, I couldn't really find any good videos of a Amtrak train on YouTube. I searched high and low, so this is me giving a quick tour. This is like the dining room. The area I started the video out in was the lounge. There were tables towards the back of the lounge, but there was, but they were mainly just chairs and stuff, and you could rest and, see if you could see anything. But it's night right now, so I'm not getting quite a good view, and only sleeping car passengers beyond this point. Can you see that? Well, I have a sleeping car, so, empty room. Another empty room. Once you get your bearings of the train, it's not, once you figure out how to walk, it's not too bad. But, the first few minutes you're on it, it's moving. I apologize for any wobbling there is. This is a really nice room right here. It is it's a bedroom. It's, I don't know how well you guys will be able to see it, but it's pretty nice. My grandma and I, we have like a little roomette type thing. So, yeah, it's not exactly the greatest. We're passing over water, it looks like, or around it, I don't know. Here, this is a better view of a room, and here is like a shower. Yeah, see, shower, toilet. Nothing much though, not very large at all. But it's pretty nice. Caution, watch your step. Really? First class? I think I'm in the wrong. Yeah, I think I'm in the wrong area. Well, that's embarrassing. Okay, yeah, I think I go down this way. There are stairs. I'm in a two-story train. So, that's pretty cool. Ow. I was a goober, and no, this is not my room, not my area I go down at. So let's try to keep going here. Okay, I keep... No, that's back to the dining car. This feels a bit like House of Leaves. Hopefully, it's not actually like that, though, because that would suck. I'm trying to be quiet here because I don't want to wake people up. Most people are asleep right now. I'm just a goober that's awake. Okay, yeah, I think this is the right way. Yeah, this seems right. Yeah, this seems right. And yeah, going down these stairs is fun. Caution, watch your step. Yep, this is where I got in on the train. Don't know how good a view that is, but it's pretty cool for me. Shower, restroom, and changing table, disability room, and that is a room to itself. So, anyway, and the room at the very end, that's a room, it's a bedroom. Next time I go on a train, I'll probably upgrade one of those. I will try to show another video of the room that we've got and show you just how tiny it is. But, yeah, it's pretty small. Anyway, I don't want this video to go too long, so bye.